Welcome back to the world of BacklinkGPT. Now that you've crafted your backlink campaign, it's time to uncover the golden opportunities, your backlink prospects. Upon creating your campaign, the focus shifts to pinpointing those perfect backlink sources. We harness your campaign keywords to unearth blog articles that align seamlessly with your content. Feel free to adjust those campaign keywords. Add new ones, remove others, and refine your target. Once you're set, simply click Save and Find Prospects. And this is where the real action starts. The tool navigates through Google search results based on your chosen keywords. For each potential site, it methodically scrapes the content, capturing the essence of what's presented. Once the scraping finishes, a curated list of potential backlink prospects appears, all ready for your review. Didn't like some? No problem. Just send them to the rejected table, tidying up your workspace. Now, the ones you're interested in, they go directly to the accepted list. And here's the best part. For each accepted prospect, we take care of the details. We summarize the site, classify it, and find the right people to contact. And to help you reach out with ease, we give you their email addresses and LinkedIn profiles. With your prospects finalized in the accepted list, the next exciting phase awaits: crafting your tailored outreach messages, making those connections, and watching your website's authority soar. Join us next time as we delve deeper into the art of personalized outreach.